came any further back, I wouldn't have been able to get out of the car. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Copper Top Productions. In this week's video, we're going to be working on the Beamer. Not working on the fit of anything in particular on the car, but specifically fit of the parts on the other parts. And by that, I mean, right here you can see, by the way, doesn't this look fucking sick? So this is the first part of the car that I kind of want to get fitted up and ready to go on the car. It's probably not the first part I will actually bolt onto the car. That'll be a bumper or a side skirt or something, but this is the first part that I want to make pretty because it's I think it's the easiest part to make look pretty. Firstly, doesn't it just look good just sitting on there? Yeah. But most of all, it's this little gap here. See that little edge there? Just that little bit there. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but no, you can see it. In person, it's a lot more noticeable. In comparison to like a nice flush sort of gap there or decent gap there. Kind of, this one might be more noticeable. There you go, yeah. It steps out a bit. And it's kind of, you can't just push it out. Kind of needs a little bit of work to, there if I really exaggerate it, you can see it quite well. Needs a bit of work to be put in the right place. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be working on. What we're going to do to make that step there as minimal as possible is we're going to take this piece and we're just going to sand a portion of this bulb down, right? We're just going to take a little bit of that off, whichever side it needs to come off, right? And what that'll allow us to do is where this section is sitting in too far, if I exaggerate it, it'll allow us to just push it out to be perfectly aligned and obviously the right height. So I guess the next thing to do is figure out the correct portion to sand, mark it so I don't forget, and then get a file and just take a little bit of plastic off. Yep. There you go, that's probably the best way I can show you the gap. If you look on this side, it comes down, has a bit of a lip there, comes out, and this side it comes down and it drops down. So by sanding that groove out, it means we can just twist this to be that way a little bit, and obviously at the right height, and then we won't have any issues. Alright, well we took a decent chunk out of that. And now, we've got a nice smooth line there. No more bump. Next thing we've got to do is move this hole. Just the bottom one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually going on an angle like that. So we're actually just going to be bringing it back to center, or back to level. So, drill. And that should be right. Ah! Oh, it's level now, for sure. See how she bolts on. Much less of a horrible step out. Question is, will it line up straight on there now? The bottom is nice there. The bottom is nice there. The inside is shit there. The inside is shit there. This has got overhang there. And if I push that back into where it was, that's got overhang there too. That's annoying. So if I fix one gap, then the other gap gets stuffed. I legitimately think I would be more happy with it just being equally not great everywhere. So if I can have this side equal to the other side, then I'm fine with that because that sits just fine there. And that sits just fine there. And then this side has a gap. And then this side has a gap too. Yep, I think we just got to commit to the gaps, honestly. A little bit of a gap there. Nice. Bit of a shit gap there. Bit of a back leg there. Fuck, that one's annoying. I really don't like the fact that that like hangs out over there, but anyway. Wonder if we can get the bumper off today. We can get the other one on there. I'm gonna Google it. fuck that. I don't have time. This video's going up tonight. Wing's all you got. For today, at least. Nah, legit though. I would love to keep working on the E36. I would love to get the bumper on it tonight. And I would love to... I'd love to get the whole thing done tonight. But unfortunately, I just can't. I've got to go in, edit, get this video up tonight for you guys so that it's up tomorrow while I'm at work. I'm actually doing this so that I have things to do after work each day. Come home, work on the E36, enjoy life. It's kind of why I got into cars. I don't know why you got into cars, but that's why I got into cars. So yeah, we're going to call that it for the 36 video today. And I will see you guys in next week's video, which for me will be the day after tomorrow, filming something with the boys, probably doing stupid beamer things, driving around the Cotter. I don't know, something having fun. And then later on the next week, doing more beamer things, putting more body kit on. Let's go. I don't know what I was doing with my hand. This. Damn bro, look at this thing. It's going to look slick as fuck when it's all fresh paint. Probably this colour, because I actually really like this colour. Sick Wang, good bumper, side skirts, front bumper, white lights. Damn, this thing gonna look sick.